Diamond UG promoter as usual anti olunaku olwaleero nkuleetedde ku nsonga ya trending artist in East Africa. Yeah, right now we have our top trending artists in East Africa. Tulina Diamond Platnumz is doing well, is doing a great job, plus his artists. We have Rayvanny, Rayvanny is doing good. Uganda, come to Uganda. Then we have Josh Baraka right now. Mulala Muko, my nigga. So Kenya, they are doing great job. They're doing a very great job. We have the Ben. Right now, he has one of the hitting songs right now. It's another hitting song. Tuinayo other countries. So Gwanda basawa zino. Jagala ompe ensonga yo ku nsonga eyo. Go in our comment section. Take ayo trending artist wo. Yeah. So another issues industry ya Uganda. Ugandan industry banange, it's another disorganized industry. Chenda basawa zino tulabye mukunja. Fights are becoming big in Uganda. Kunsonga y'abayimbi. Banange abayimbi be Uganda muyige empisa. Pisa kintu kikulu nnyo. Tulabidde ku bayimbi baffe. We have seen Bebe Cool, we have seen Bob Wine. N'engeri gye baali bakirwanisaamu kino ekintu baali tebeekuba. Engeri gye mwakireesemu mukunja is fighting the Fangon. Oh, imagine you're fighting in industry muli mukulwana musically. Mwandibadde mukuba endongo tekwese emikono. Omulabi wange ndaba ssaawa zino njagala ompe ensonga yo ku nsonga ezo ez'okulwana. Abayimbi mususse fujjo. Palaso tukulabye golwana ota upcoming right now. You shouldn't be fighting, guys. So ku nsonga eyo industry yaffe ndaba mugisizaanyo emabega. Ugandan industry yandibadde nga it's one of the actually trending countries right now in Africa, whatever, East Africa. So ku nsonga eyo fights are not ndaba tezigatta ku musically. Twandibadde tukube endongo tulekerawo okulwana mu industry. Yeah, we have our new events right now. We have Karokasita ayinayo event ye bambi. Go support her. Karokasita has done good. Ekitegeera, so he deserve fans. Banange tugende supporting Karokasita. Balabye ne Fefe Busa amusizaawo. Fefe, my Fefe oyo smallest rapper. Fefe mwana mugende muwagire Fefe Busi. Etania. So go support our music industry. Banange, let us support. Tulekerawo okulwana mu industry. Yeah. Then I'm comment section ompe trending artists in East Africa. Tekayo Diamond. Tekayo Josh Baraka. Whatever, you have different artists. Gwe golabanga gwe omuntu nga akikubidde. Okitegeera from day one nga badde akikubira. Yes, so kwesikanga n'emiguwa ekyo, those issues banange, guys. Let us stop fighting in industry. Tubeeremu ekitegeera musically tetumussa mabega. Eka tulwane musically tetulekera olwana fights. Saganze kwekuba ebintu by'okwekuba n'empisa kintu kikulu. Abayimbi tulabira kummwe okitegeera. So guys, let us do well in the industry. Yeah, it's your boy Diamond UG promoter as usual. Anti PBS TV.